If you're a cat owner looking for convenience, cleanliness, and a stress-free litter routine, the Fumoi automatic cat litter box is a game changer. Designed for multiple cats, this self-cleaning litter box combines smart technology, safety, and efficiency to make your life easier while keeping your feline friends happy. Let's count down the top 9 reasons why this litter box is worth every penny. Reason number 9, advanced safety protection. The Fumoi litter box uses infrared motion sensors that instantly pause cleaning whenever your cat is nearby. This ensures your pets are never startled or at risk, giving you peace of mind while the box works automatically. Tip: make sure the sensors are unobstructed during setup to maintain precise detection and maximum safety. Reason number 8, high capacity efficiency. With a massive 9.5 L litter drum and 15 L sealed waste compartment, this box easily handles multiple cats without constant maintenance. It works seamlessly with both clumping and silica-based litters, perfect for busy households or extended trips. Tip: for best results, use a high-quality clumping litter to maximize odor control and make cleaning cycles more efficient. Reason number 7, smart app integration. Take full control from your phone. The app allows you to schedule cleaning cycles, track litter usage, and receive real-time notifications when the bin is full. It's a modern convenience that keeps you connected to your pets even when you're away. Tip: ensure your Wi-Fi is 2.4G compatible for smooth connectivity and customize cleaning schedules around your cat's habits. Reason number 6, leak-proof and reusable design. No more messy spills or litter tracking. The reinforced edges and removable waste tray prevent leaks, while the washable liner is eco-friendly and easy to reuse. This saves time, reduces waste, and keeps your floor spotless. Tip: rinse the liner weekly and replace it every few months to maintain freshness and hygiene. Reason number 5, quiet night mode. The Fumoi litter box operates almost silently, making it ideal for households with light sleepers or nocturnal cats. You can run it anytime without worrying about disturbing your family or pets. Tip: activate night mode in the app to ensure ultra-quiet cycles during sleeping hours. Reason number 4, large capacity for multiple cats. Unlike standard litter boxes, this model is perfect for multi-cat homes. Its generous size reduces the need for multiple boxes and ensures all your cats have a clean, comfortable space. Tip: position it in a low-traffic area for optimal accessibility and privacy for your cats. Reason number 3, easy maintenance and cleaning. Thanks to the removable tray and washable liner, cleaning this litter box is straightforward and quick. No more scooping by hand multiple times a day. The automation keeps your routine stress-free. Tip: schedule app reminders for full bin alerts to keep maintenance effortless. Reason number 2, smart design and durability. Every element, from the reinforced edges to the durable motor, is built to last. It's designed to withstand daily use while staying stylish and compact in your home. Tip: wipe down surfaces regularly and avoid overloading the drum to prolong its lifespan. Reason number 1, strong choice among alternatives. When you consider safety, capacity, smart features, and ease of maintenance, the Fumoi automatic cat litter box truly stands out. It simplifies pet care, keeps your home clean, and provides unmatched convenience. This is the ultimate upgrade for any cat owner. Tip: pair it with high-quality clumping litter and schedule app cleaning cycles for the smoothest, worry-free experience. Conclusion: the Fumoi automatic cat litter box delivers smart convenience, safety, and efficiency all in one sleek package. From multi-cat households to busy lifestyles, it's designed to make litter maintenance effortless, quiet, and mess-free. If you want a cleaner home and happier cats, this self-cleaning litter box is a fantastic investment.